How to access blocked websites on iPhone without using a VPN app. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First, um, first of all, make sure your internet is working properly. Then head to the Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the search icon. Now simply tap on the search bar and type Opera Mini. Now tap on search at the bottom right corner. Now scroll down and find Opera browser with AI. Simply tap on it and click on install. Now wait for some time. Now after installing, simply tap on open. Now wait for some time. Now click on continue. Now tap on escape. Again click on escape. Now tap on allow or tap on customize. Now at the bottom right corner, simply tap on your profile. Now here you can find the VPN option. Simply tap on it. Now tap on got it. Now select your location. You can choose from Asia, America or Europe. Now after choosing, simply tap on OK and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.